This is unboxing of SN002 watch. Model number is SN002-G. It's also called SN065, like Oris 65 diver. This is discontinued model from 2018. Originally there is a blue, green and red model, and blue is sold out, so only green and red is available, and I bought green model. Watch came in the big red box, and this is first time that I got signed warranty card. I don't think I can use it, but it's nice that it's signed. Overall, I'm very pleased with the package of the watch. Watch is 42mm diameter, 51mm lug to lug, 20mm lug width. It has domed or double domed sapphire crystal and ceramic 120 clicks bezel, and it's run on the PT 5000 movement 25 joule that run at 8 ticks per second. There is a loom pit on the bezel. I really like how smooth bezel works. I think bezel is very good. I'm not really happy with the screw down crown. It's a little too big and it doesn't screw down smoothly. I will try with silicone spray to fix this, and it doesn't screw down completely. There is a 1mm gap. So not really happy with the screw down crown. There is instant day-to-day transmission at 12 o'clock. Here it's again. And again, I'm not really happy with the closing of the screw down crown. Watch is equipped with metal bracelet that look much better than most of the Chinese generic bracelet, but it's nothing really special. There is only two micro adjustments. Bracelet is little rattly like Seiko bracelets, and bracelet use screws instead push-pull pins, so you need only screwdriver to fix the bracelets. I'm not sure what I prefer more. I'm more secure with push down pins than with screws. Screws tend to unscrew over the time, but definitely look better than pull down pin. Weight of the watch with original bracelet is 140 grams and 60 grams without bracelets. And watch has sapphire domed or double domed glass. Here is a comparison test with diamond tester that proved that this is sapphire glass. PT 5000 movement tick 8 time per second, like you can see on this slow motion video. It has 25 joules and precision is plus minus 20 seconds per day, so it's better spec than NH35. It's in the range of Miyota 90i5 or Seagull. Watch has green loom, and loom pit is a little different green. It loom holds about 2 or 3 hours, so I seen better looms and I seen much worse loom than that, so I think it's okay, but will not hold whole night. Here is how watch look on the open. I wanted the blue zifferal dial and it's sold out, so I bought green. And this green ziffer is Trickster. It's go from white green on the sun to almost black when there is no sun. So it's a little funny to watch how it change colors depends on the weather condition. So this is San Martin replica take on Oris Diver 65. It's certainly different than most of the divers. It's my first watch with PT 5000 movement. I will see how I like it. It's my first domed or double domed crystal. Not sure is it domed or double domed. We'll see how I like it, and this is my first green watch. Also we'll see how I like it. It's solidly built, very well, actually very well built for the price. My only complaints is crown that doesn't screw down, screw down easy enough, and the bracelet is mediocre. So I think it's okay watch, but not for everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.